Shall discuss now about male reproductive system of cockroach. Okay, so this is the reproductive system of male cockroach, and these are the structures associated with the reproductive system, and these are the primary reproductive organs, and these are called testes. And testes, you can understand from the diagram that it is a tri-lobed structure. Okay, three lobes are present, and from each testis arises vas deferens. Okay, this is called as vas deferens, and plural is vas differentia. So this vas deferens opens here into this ejaculatory duct through this seminal vesicle. Okay. So apart from it, we can see other structures also, and this is called as phallic gland, also called as conglobate gland. And this conglobate gland and this ejaculatory duct both open here in the genital pore. Okay. So this vas deferens opens into the ejaculatory duct, and it is through this seminal vesicle, and this is after that this ejaculated duct opens outside through this gonophore, which is also called external genitalia. Okay. And apart from it, we can see this bunch of the structure which appears as a bunch. This is called as Utica gland, also called as mushroom gland, and this is the accessory reproductive structure, and this also opens into ejaculatory duct. Okay, so these are the main structures. These are testes, which are three lobe structure, and from each testis arises vas deferens. Vas deferens opens into ejaculatory duct through this seminal vesicle, and this is another gland which is called as phallic gland, also called as conglobate gland, and this is the accessory reproductive structure, and this is also called uticulus, or also called mushroom, because it is in the shape of a bunch of like mushroom. So it is mushroom gland or uticular gland, and this mushroom gland also opens into the ejaculatory duct, and seminal vesicles are also present, and these seminal vesicles are present on the ventral surface of the ejaculatory duct, and seminal vesicles are for the storing of the sperms. So the function of the seminal vesicle is to store the sperms, and sperms are stored in the form of bundles called spermatophores. Okay, so these are the structure, and another one is these are called gonophyses. Okay, these are called gonophyses. These are the structures. This is these are the phallomeres, also called as it is I mean labeled as a phallomere, and these phallomeres are gonophyses. They are asymmetrical in structure, that is without any proper shape, and they help in copulation. Okay, and so this is present in, and these structures are present in the or near the or surrounding the male genital opening. Okay, so if you know the structure, if you know to draw it, it is easy to understand. Okay, so if you are able to draw and practice this several times, so that you can easily write the information about the reproductive structure. Okay, so this is the information what I have explained. It is given here, please go through it, you'll understand. This is another diagrammatic representation of male reproductive system of cockroach. Now we shall discuss, and this is also okay. So now we shall discuss about the female reproductive system. Okay, so female reproductive system in cockroach, it consists of mainly ovaries. Okay, a pair of ovaries are present, and these ovaries are that is present as a like a branch structure. Each ovary is divided into number of ovarioles. Okay, and these ovarioles open into, or these ovaries which are composed of these ovarioles open through or open into oviducts, and oviducts from each ovary and unite to, or they open into a common oviduct. Okay, which is also called vagina. Okay, so this is the main reproductive structure in female that is female cockroach. So these are the pair of ovaries, and ovaries are present in the form of ovarioles. Okay, divided into that is ovarioles, that is 8 pairs of ovarioles, and these in this ovarioles ova are developing. Okay, ova, they develop inside this ovarioles, and ova this ova formed or developed inside this ovarioles descend down into this vagina, and from this they descend down into this genital chamber. Genital chamber, also called as genital pouch. Okay, so this is the main structure. Apart from it, you can understand inside the genital pouch or genital chamber we can see some branch structures which are called as collateral glands. Okay, these are called collateral glands, and these collateral glands, they help in the formation of the egg case, also called as ootheca. And this genital pouch, it is divided into two parts, the upper part and the lower part, which is called as vestibulum. So in the vestibulum, this oothecae are formed. Oothecae, actually, they are the egg cases. Okay, they are the hard structure, like a pouch, and inside egg is developed. Okay, and the three pairs of gonopophyses are also present. Apart from it, inside the this that is genital chamber, gonopophyses are present. These gonopophyses are the three pairs in structure, and actually they serve to that is guide the ova into ootheca. Actually, this gonopophyses, they serve as ovipositor. Ovipositor, that refers to, that is guiding the or depositing and the egg into the ootheca. Ootheca, which are stored here. Okay, so this is a very simple information about this female reproductive system. Please go through, you will understand. Okay, so this is about ovaries, which are consisting of 8 pairs of ovarioles, and inside which ova are developing, and oviducts, which are raised from each ovary. They join together to form a common oviduct, which is also called as this vagina. And one more structure is present in this vagina, which is called as spermatica. Okay, and spermatica, it is present. It is mainly for uh, to store the, that is, fertilization occurs. Ova descend down into genital chamber where fertilization occur. So this spermatica also, it's a structure which is present in the this vagina, and it opens into this genital chamber. So ova descend down, and from here, and it moves into this genital chamber where fertilization occurs. So this is about the female reproductive system, and this is also another representation, that is diagrammatic representation of this female reproductive system. And so these are the explanation. Okay, so please go through.